everyone! How are you? Welcome back to our channel, Eagle Learning Center official YouTube channel with me, Miss Haname. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna tell you about preposition in, on, at for time and for place. Okay, now let's see here. For preposition in, on, at. In, it for the general one. If it is on, it's more specific. And if it is at, it's for the specific one. So if we draw it, it comes like this. From general to the very specific. This is the position for in, the position for on, and the position for at. Okay, now here the first is preposition in, on, at for time. I want to tell you that if in is the general one, it means that it can be for the years, like this year's is 2020. And month, July, season can be winter, spring or summer, and also centuries can be like 1990s. And for on, here is a more specific. More specific, it means that for days, if days, it can be such day, or it can be more specific. We have to say it like Sunday morning or Friday afternoon. It's say that more specific. And then for the dates, here we have to write for the months and also for the date like July 11th today. And for the specific days, here if it is for on, preposition on, for the specific days, it's supposed to have include the days. For example, Christmas Day, Lebaran's Day. Now we have to use on. And then for at is very specific. At for shows hours, like 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. And then for the time, like at the moment now. And how about the place? For preposition in, on, at for place, same. If it is on, it's supposed to be general. If it is in, it's supposed to be general. And place shows for the country, Indonesia. City, Palembang, and includes space like a car, a plane, in a car. And then for on, preposition on, for the place, it shows street, like Sudirman Street, Cendrawasih Street. And the last one is for at. At is very specific. Here, show about the street tree, but have include the number. It means that very specific. We have to say the number of the house, the number of the street, something like that. So, for example, here is Cendrawasih Street 9E. Okay. Now, let's practice about the preposition in, on, at for time and location. Here, I've already written 5 statements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and you have to know if you wanna write the answer, you have to see first the clue from that statement. Here, number 1. I live blah 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 Palembang. Is it time or is it place? Then now it's your turn. You have to write your answer in the command. So, I live in Palembang. And how about number 2? We finished the lesson blah 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 5:30 p.m. So, 5:30 p.m. Is it time or is it place? Then you have to write the answer now. The answer is at. Is it correct, your answer? Check it out. Now for number 3. She was born June 6th. Okay, is it time or place? Now this is the answer. On. How about your answer? And number 4. They moved to Singapore July. Let's see. Is it time or place? And the answer is in. And the last one, Eagle Learning Center is Cendrawasih Street 9E. So, for the last statement, is it for location or place or time? So, the answer is at. Okay everyone, now you have to check one by one your answer. Then, let me know on the comment and I'll check it, yeah? I think that's all for our video today, and you have to wait for our next video with me or with the other teacher from Eagle Learning Center. And don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to follow our Instagram here. Bye!